Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday. Hope you guys having a fabulous week. Today we are going to be pick randomly the 3 winners of my VIP lounge subscription. So my VIP lounge is a membership that I offer on my website, where every month you get digital papers straight to your email box, also a cheeky discount code which is 30%, and much more. Before we crack on with picking the 3 winners, let me show you the papers that you can receive this month if you join February. Now, you still got a couple of days time if you want to subscribe and get the papers that I'm going to show you now. First digital paper pack is called Shiny Bows, and it's a collection of 4 pages with all glittery bows full of gems. I absolutely love them, and I got a project in mind I'm going to do with this, so keep watching on my channel because it's coming fairly soon. I cannot wait to make them. I love them, love them, love them. So if you like a bit of glitz, if you like a bit of glam and some jewelry, yeah, this is the paperback for you. I absolutely love them, and they're so cute. And of course, because I have chosen the same color palette, which is mostly blues, pinks, and gold, these bows can be designed, we mix and match them. So if I put them all, and they all got different shapes, can you see? So got that one, the one with the tails. So if I put the bows like this, all the 4 pages, you can see that you can use them all together in one project, or you can mix and match them because they all will work together. So yeah, this is number 1, shiny bows. Number 2, this is a request from the lovely Kim. Kim is a member of my VIP lounge. Kim has asked for some bird stickers. Now, of course, I'm going to put like this so you guys can see the page on its entirety. When, of course, these are printed on copy paper. Okay, so just like normal paper, you put it through your printer. The printer works its magic and print on ink. Now, if you use adhesive sheet, so it's the one that you use for stickers, you put it through and they will be printed on top. And then what you do, you simply fussy cut them and they will be your stickers. So Kim, I hope you like them. I selected all different size birds with different colors, so and different sizes. So that the first page are the larger birds. So if I put them like that, you can probably see them. Yeah, so they are the larger birds, and then you've got a different size here. And then again, I just put some flowers so they can be used together. There are some small birds, some leaves. This one here is probably my favorite page because there is a black and white one, which I quite like it. And I don't think it's a robin because the robin are all one color, but I do like how his feathers blend together. I think it really works. And then the last page again are even there's more sizes. So you got, imagine like you got small, medium, and large. Okay, so I gave you 3 different sizes. So yeah, so that's your birds. They can literally fussy cut them, and you don't have to use them stickers. You can just fussy cut them on, you know, on a printer paper. You don't have to use them as stickers. But yeah, that was the brief, and I hope I got the brief right. Kim, let me know if you like them. And then the last paper pack is my favorite. It's called Denim and Daisy. Now, I have a similar kit, excuse me, on my website, which is now my 3rd bestseller. So the first bestseller is the Blue Butterflies. Then is Love from the Far East, which is my Asian kit. And this one is my 3rd. Okay, so it's number 1. It's called Denim and Daisy. So there is a variation of this on my website, but because it's so popular, I thought to design a version purely for my VIP members. So you've got a lovely background, which can be used in its entirety. So you can use this page exactly as it is. or you can fussy cut the lady, you can fussy cut the lace, you can fussy cut the flowers, you can even fussy cut the ephemera there, so you can do anything that you want. Then the second page is this one here. So you got 2 square images, and I thought they would look amazing as if you do like memory keeping. And then 4 different, oh, you can see them here, cookies and the lovely daisies. It's all about denim and daisies, so it's all about the denim color with the lovely daisies. Another page is my favorite one, and then I just put the baskets. So if you do like a garden journal or something like spring sort of color, this will really work. And then last page is this one here. So there are a collection of 7 tags. So you've got 5 tags the same size. So you've got the sheep, the balloons, the brolly, the little bird, and the bicycle. And then 2 which are slightly larger. And you've got the lovely lady and the lace. And look at him. I mean, can it be any cuter? So that is my denim and daisy. So as usual, guys, you get 3 paper packs. So you get the denim and daisies, the bird stickers, and the bow, and also you get a letter gift box. Now, when we started this series, we done all. In fact, I think I got them here. Yes, they're here. Ta-da-da! We done letter A, B. Sorry, they come in. C, D, E, F, and they're all different. G, that's from Georgia. H and I that we did last month, and now today is letter number G. So that's the template. So you get the page with the assembly instructions, so how you put it together, and then you get the actual construction. So you got, that's the back, and because I had some space, I gave you an extra free embellishment. So it's a very large scallop letter. So that's the 2 tabs on the base, that's the top, the bottom will be lift up, and then the scallop will be, you know, will be your top reversed. And then this is the main instruction. So you've got your front, your 2 sides, and the top, but it's very, very clear. And also all my VIP members will get a private video that I have filmed to showcase step by step how to put these elements together. But let me show you what the letter G will look like when it's all done up. And this is what letter J will look like, and that was the envelope look like when it's all done up. So you've got, as I said, you've got the 2 sides, and then you just fold it up, and that will be your lid, and that's the letter J. Okay, beautiful. Love, love, love this letter. This is probably one of my favorite letter, together with the letter F. I really, really like this letter because it's very vintage. There is a bit of hand typing. Yeah, I love them all. Let me show you all the letters on the desk. So these will be available on my website to be purchased as a bundle. So from letter A to letter J. But of course, my VIP members get this free to send out to their email monthly. Okay, guys, so as usual, I always use the pickawinner.com because it is a completely random system. So you simply put the video link, which is this one. The system automatically loads the comments. Now, I do not include my replies because I always reply to every single comment on YouTube. So I do not include my reply because otherwise I get picked. And also the only rule, if you want to call it this way, to enter the giveaway was to tell me what you would do if you did receive the paper. So I only include in these comments if anyone that has said what he will do with the papers. So I do not include comments that just say, oh, I like the papers, etc., etc. Okay, so the only rule was to tell me what you would do with the papers. And also, if you won with me in the past already, hope you don't mind, I'm not include you every month because the giveaways as just a simpler way from me to give something back to you guys for everything that you do for me. Okay, so just give a chance every month to a couple of you to win. So winner number 1 is Noreen. The blue daisies are gorgeous. I will Pussycat the lady with hat and use it summer theme card. So congratulations, Noreen. You have won the papers. Winner number 2 is Cat at Scrap Designs. I will make tags and altered index card. Thank you and congratulations. And winner number 3 is Love Those Bows. So no. Beautiful birds, gorgeous everything, colors stunning. Thank you for the opportunity to win these beauties. I will make ephemera, journaling cards and use them in my junk journal. Then I will share my creation in your Facebook and also on my Facebook. Hugs and creative vibes. Thank you, Maria. I believe it's pronounced Maria or Marja. Thank you so much. Congratulations to these 3 lovely ladies. Please send me an email at antoniomakes@hotmail.com and I will send you the papers. Guys, there is another giveaway for the March giveaway, starts next week. So don't forget to tune in. And yeah, looking for that video. You guys get the chance to win my fabulous paper for the March VIP lounge. Okay guys, thank you so much to everyone for entering the giveaway and best luck to everyone for next time. Thank you and I will see you very soon. Mwah. Bye.